Does it make sense to use ASi-5, ASi-3 gateways even without ASi-5 nodes?
Yes, the use of ASi-5, ASi-3 gateways brings advantages in any case, even if you do not use ASi-5 nodes. This is because the new ASi-5, ASi-3 gateways are also the most performant ASi-3 gateways. Their advantages: field update capability. Firmware and security updates are installed in a tamper-proof way. New functions are quickly available. Users decide for themselves which updates they want to install on the gateways and devices of their choice. Integrated OPC UA server. Data from the field level can be transmitted directly and easily to Industry 4.0 applications. Integrated web server. Among other things, it enables fast system diagnostics via remote maintenance or convenient addressing of the devices during commissioning. Cybersecurity. The Ethernet field bus and Ethernet diagnostic interface are subjected to strict load tests by means of the Achilles test software Level 1 and 2.
For more information, visit our website or get in touch with us.